Struggling to manage multiple design tools daily? Switching between Figma, XD, Sketch slows workflow. Team feedback scattered across different platforms. Collaboration feels disconnected and inefficient. Design files get lost or overwritten easily. Real-time teamwork is hard to coordinate. Brainstorming sessions lack visual clarity. Sharing prototypes with stakeholders is tedious. Design assets are difficult to organize. Manual prototyping wastes valuable time. Creativity stalls without fresh inspiration. AI-powered design elements are missing. Managing resources for web projects is complex. Product managers struggle with workflow integration. Design teams feel disconnected during remote work. Document management is messy and inefficient. Visual communication lacks intuitive tools. Feedback cycles take too long to complete. Designers spend hours searching for templates. Prototyping tools lack real-time editing features. Creative professionals need customizable backgrounds. Social media influencers want vibrant visual assets. Meditation spaces require inspirational digital art. Marketers need rapid, high-quality visual production. Design teams want seamless teamwork solutions. Pixso streamlines all things product design. Import from Figma, XD, Sketch effortlessly. Collaborate online with digital whiteboards instantly. Real-time multi-user editing boosts productivity. Intuitive drag-and-drop interface simplifies workflow. Integrated prototyping accelerates design cycles. AI-generated elements spark creative ideas fast. Centralized resource community offers premium assets. Access plugins and templates for every project. Organize documents and brainstorm visually together. Versatile templates fit any creative workflow. Professional UI/UX teams collaborate seamlessly. Efficient workflow management for product managers. Designers enjoy real-time teamwork capabilities. Comprehensive prototyping functions at your fingertips. Intuitive interface makes design accessible to all. Vibrant backgrounds for digital art and banners. PixArt integration for rapid photo, video editing. AI-driven tools produce stunning visuals instantly. Ideal for marketers, creators, and professionals. Mystical angel-themed artwork inspires creativity. Perfect for spiritual decor or merchandise. Pixso boosts productivity with online design tools. Collaborate seamlessly on digital whiteboards. Accelerate creativity using AI-generated elements. Centralized platform for all design resources. Effortless integration into existing workflows. No more lost or overwritten files. Feedback and edits happen in real time. Stakeholders review prototypes instantly. Design assets organized for easy access. Save hours on manual prototyping tasks. Fresh inspiration from AI-powered elements. Design teams stay connected remotely. Document management becomes simple and efficient. Visual communication tools enhance brainstorming. Accelerate feedback cycles and design iterations. Templates and plugins speed up project delivery. Customizable backgrounds for creative professionals. Rapid, high-quality visual production for marketers. Seamless teamwork for design and product teams. Unlock your team's full creative potential. Transform workflow with Pixso's collaborative platform. Purchase now to streamline product design. Experience efficient, creative, and connected teamwork. Elevate your design projects with Pixso today. Join thousands of professionals boosting productivity. Start collaborating smarter and faster. Access premium resources for every design need. Create, prototype, and inspire with Pixso. Don't let outdated tools slow you down. Upgrade your workflow and unleash creativity. Pixso, the future of product design collaboration. Make your next project seamless and successful. Get Pixso on AppSumo and transform your team.